Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about, are you really covered? And we're talking about 5 questions to ask when purchasing flood insurance. So the first thing we're talking about today is replacement cost versus actual cash value. It's important that you ask the difference in these because come claim time, you could be very disappointed if you don't have the right coverages in place. Number 2, make sure that your bank would accept this policy. So you want to tell them what type of loan you're doing and make sure your bank would approve this policy. One way to do this is to submit the application to the bank or what's called a policy jacket to have them review it. Number 3, ask, will my rate increase at the end of this term? That's something important you want to know. If I told you how many people that we had talked to that started out at one rate and the rate increased 10 times that over a 3-year period, I wish I would have known that when purchasing this property. That's so important you want to ask, is to find a forecast of rate increases if they are going to increase, if you can get that. Number 4, ask them the difference between the National Flood Insurance Program and private flood insurance. That's something very important that you want to ask, because once again, comes claims time, come time if your bank will accept a policy. These are all factors that could be a big deal for you. Number 5 is, what is the wait period going to be on this policy? If you're closing on a property, you shouldn't have a wait period. But what if you're changing at renewal? Is there going to be a 10-day wait period? Is there going to be a gap where your mortgage company is going to be in your back because you don't have home insurance? You don't have that peace of mind where maybe you're not meeting your mortgage company requirements because you didn't know to ask this. So these are the 5 questions to ask when purchasing flood insurance. Remember, flood insurance can be confusing. It can be frustrating. We know, we've been there. We bought a house in a flood zone. We were told premiums were going to be 10 times higher than they really should be. That's why we've been helping people do exactly this for the last 10 years, is solving this flood insurance problem. So if you've got questions about trying to figure all this out, am I asking the right questions, what to expect, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we're here to help you by simplifying flood insurance. Thank you.